walk, and we've discovered this tree that has a growth on it that looks like the tree has a hernia. I'm sure there's a more scientific explanation for it, but if you touch it, it is just like wood. It's not a mushroom or anything. So it's like part of the tree has like popped out, starting its own little growth. I don't know, maybe that's how branches start. I've never seen anything like that though. Well, at least not up this close. Not like that. I thought it was a mushroom at first, but it's not. It's a fairly big old tree. We're here at the state park. Inky, what you think about it? He does not seem concerned, so we'll just be on our way.